So I'm on a desert island. 3 things that I would have to have. Could I have a dog? I guess I would.
You're picking one?
You said 3 things.
Okay.
I would love to have one of the dogs.
I'd like to know later which one.
Okay. I would also like to have perhaps a food group that is unique. Maybe I'd like to have pizza.
Okay.
I don't know how to make it last.
It doesn't matter. You don't.
but maybe-
It's like a genie.
Maybe
just
we
comes
could
down.
start our own concession at the desert island. I don't know who would come other than us.
I was just gonna say.
But it's a thought.
Okay, I like it. I like the way you think.
And then I wouldn't mind maybe a really good bottle of wine. Again, we got to make it last. But
Right.
It shows my values.
A dog, a pizza, and a glass of wine.
Anybody else feel that way?
Totally.
All right.
How am I supposed to go now?
I wouldn't
I should
know.
have gone first. I knew I should
Whatever
have
you're
gone
going to
first.
do, make sure you're helping the pizza place begin its establishment. Or
Got it.
Okay.
Got it. Branding,
I don't
something,
wanna
something
lead
along
you.
those lines. Now, I could just kind of one-up you and say, since you brought one of the dogs, I'll just bring the other 3.
Okay, yeah.
But I'm not going to. I'm going to
Well-
play around with the game a little bit.
It's hard to bring when you ask.
Well, I get 3 things.
Okay.
So you brought one dog. I'm going to bring the other 3.
Oh, okay.
Right?
Are you out?
Ding. No, I'm going to actually play the game. All right, so I'm going to definitely bring sunscreen. I'm going to definitely need some sunglasses because you know how light sensitive I am. And what would my 3rd thing be? I mean, you have the pizza and the wine. I'm allowed to have some of that, right?
I don't know how to make it last, but okay.
All right.
Let's assume
Okay, so you're bringing the pizza. You're going to have the wine. I feel like maybe I should have
oregano,
oregano.
garlic.
Garlic?
Oh, no, I was only kidding.
No,
Just
no,
trying
no.
to lead to
I'm leading to a dessert.
all right.
I'm leading to like maybe some
shocked.
Oreos, double stuff,
okay.
mega stuff.
Yeah.
This is, you know,
Marshmallows.
marshmallow. S'mores bars?
S'mores bars.
S'mores bars.
S'mores.
Okay. S'mores bars.
S'mores.
S'mores.
You're
S'mores,
done?
s'mores
You're
bars.
out?
I'm out.
Okay.
Pizza, wine, and s'mores. A dog, sunscreen, and sunglasses.
Tells everyone a lot about us, doesn't it?
Yes.